Nyakaramogi wa winjo kaka jatelo kata jakom maduol mar IEBC Erastus Ethekon ne loso ewi yiero madundo ma Kalou.
Elections in Kalou will be held on the 16th of July 2026, and it is therefore in that regard that we have come together here with all these institutions that play one role or another to give you updates on what is it that we have done in order to ensure that the elections in Kalou proceed as scheduled, and that we give the people of Kalou the opportunity to exercise their democratic right to elect their member of parliament on Thursday, 16th, 2026. The Commission therefore wishes to inform the nation that all preparations for the by-election scheduled for Thursday, the 16th of July, 2026, to fill the position of Member of National Assembly for Kalou constituency in Nyandarua County are progressing as scheduled. So far, several critical milestones have already been achieved, and these include the completion of procurement and delivery of election materials, both critical and non-critical, to Kalou, gazettement of all the candidates that have been cleared to run for these elections for Member of Parliament in Kalou, the setting up of polling stations and the tallying centers where the electors will cast their votes and be counted. We have also completed the servicing and testing and configuration of our technology. As you know, Electoral Commission of Kenya, the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, uses technology for both voter identification and, of course, result